It's nice and bright now, but quite cloudy out at sea. Bit of breeze. An early June day, about lunchtime. Can't see my watch, it's so bright. My heater all closed. We were gonna sit there and have a coffee, but we've been in the back of the Shell garage there, in that little square there. No work team. Lovely seats to sit on and watch the view. Okay. The sky looks awful, but the sun's behind me and it's quite bright. You can see the shadows. A little bit of cloud. Somebody playing some music here. I'm just following my wife and seeing which way we're going. Gonna go up this one, that one. I know. Nice place to sit and have a coffee here. Cordon bleu. Sat there the other day. Very pleasant. Very warm with the sun on the white walls. Hello there. Friendly folks. They'll probably never see themselves on video. Unless they subscribe to me. What's that called, Karen? The Corralejo Sol. Taking it all in. It seems wasted, this area. I think there used to be. Did there used to be seats and things there? That was
there was a cafe or something.
I think there was, yeah. Been here twice and not been impressed, but it's a few years, so it might be better. Recovecco. Now, are you going down the beach or are you going up the side? Your decision. Yeah, we'll go up the side. We'll walk up to the side here. Side of the Corralejo beach, or whatever it's called now. What's it called? Livo.
Still is. Livo, Corralejo.
Livo, Corralejo Beach. A friend of ours has an apartment round here. Might be that one, I don't know.
99.
A few years since we went in it. Big party of us, it was nice. We all grow a bit older. King's Barber, and there's a cafe with it as well. And this bazaar, Ali.
How bizarre.
How bizarre. It's always warm in there. When it was windy and cold the other night, we went in there to warm up. Having to go in a shop in Corralejo in June to get warm. It was unbelievable. What's she looking at? And so brings out that's Amore, another nice little cafe. We haven't been in it this visit, and we've been here 6 days. Seen that dog around a few times this week. Hello, Trevor. And Trevor's on video. I was looking at a video of just this scene a few earlier today, taken in 2008, so I'll compare it. And I think we might be better on the path because these cycles and electric cycles keep whizzing by. And what was it called, Karen? Billabong? What was it called?
It was called, I don't know.
Neither do I. It's the old brain.
The pub.
Yeah, the pub.
The balcony.
Sorry?
The balcony.
Yeah. Remember this street when it was dual carriageway? Well, one carriageway on each side of a grassy embankment, I think it was. A little noddy train. Del Train, Portugal. Nobody's waved to us. Up she goes. Oh, I don't think we've seen Don Pepe open. It wasn't open yesterday, but it might have been open, but we might not have noticed it. I'm trying to make sure I negotiate the cycle path. There's a couple coming up here. Certainly not very safe. I know, I've seen it. Yeah, thanks. She looked after me there. And there's the noddy train. Choose it or something.
€4, isn't it?
€4?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. And for a sign off, I'll show you a nice little cafe bar that we like to been going in. If you like English food, it's a nice change. I mean, we do like to eat a lot of the various Spanish, and we always have a Chinese and an Indian over here. But sometimes you need English food, and we found this cafe over here, opposite the Rap Cafe. Pretty good.
Gammon?
Gammon, we had gammon the other day. We've had pie and chips in there before today. We might have that today. Certainly have it. And down there to McCarthy's pub down there. I can never remember which Irish bar is which. When someone says, we'll see you in McCarthy's, I don't know which one it is.
Overlapping in the caffe's cart.
Yeah. And I've heard people say that this Harry's Electronics, I think it's this one, it's quite good if your phone things needed, any problems. But I don't know. Here it is. Enjoy the Restro Bar. And we'll get to Asia Gardens and finish off. Tourists and people working, mixing. I'm going to cross over and finish at the windmill mosaic because I like that. And also because I was looking pictures of the underground bar earlier from 16 years ago. Now that's opened, it was closed a few days, I think they had a break. Good pizzas there. Pizza di Napoli. And that's it.